In today's episode, we feature supercar traffic stops, pit maneuvers, and high-speed chases. A trooper caught a Porsche driver speeding and promptly initiated a traffic stop.
Police are pretty chill. This is the world's most patient policeman waiting for this guy to bounce. I mean, like, if a cop's like telling you to do something, you should probably just do it in America. But in Tokyo, I guess it's different. Just not giving a damn, so. Wow. Bold man here, guys. Just like, listen, just leave.
On August 31st, 2024, a trooper observed a white four-door passenger car and a dark-colored SUV traveling at a high rate of speed. The trooper activated his front radar, locking the first vehicle at 73 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. The white four-door car initially appeared to be slowing down to pull over, but then accelerated again. Knowing the area and that they were approaching a residential zone, the trooper chose a safe location, pulled alongside the driver's side, and performed a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, on the vehicle. The white car slowed and came to a stop.
Hand! Show me your hand! Both hands out the window, now! Out the window! I know you ain't. Open the door slowly. I don't know where I is. Get on the ground. No, you stay in the car. You get out on the ground. He wrecked the car. Get on the ground! Hands behind your back. You don't move. Slowly get out of the car.
Nah, he turned around, but I was going to Miss Benzetta's house.
Unbuckle your seatbelt slowly.
I was gonna pull over.
No, you weren't. You took back off. Get slowly out of the car. Do it with that hand. Come out.
I'm gonna go to jail, Mom.
Yeah, you are.
The trooper exited the patrol unit and placed both occupants of the vehicle into custody without further incident. The driver refused to identify himself when asked.
Get right up beside him. Slowly. Slowly. Don't you get on the ground. I'm not telling you again. This ain't a game.
He done hit the back of the car and everything.
Yeah, I did.
Hey, don't hang up the phone, bro. He hanging on my phone.
You're under arrest. You ain't got nothing to do.
Yes, I can. I can call my mom. I got the right to call my
You
mom,
ain't got
bro.
right but to remain silent.
That's fine. I'm on the phone with the county right now. He's not talking on the radio.
Everything's on video. Don't worry. I'm still recording. You live.
Cause I turned. I was trying to get.
Yeah, no, you took off. It's called fleeing felony.
Cause I was trying to get to my.
You had plenty of chance to stop. Stay right there. Yeah, 10-15.
The trooper informed the driver that he would also be charged for refusing to provide identification. After several minutes, the driver finally disclosed his name.
It ain't your mama's car no more. It's property of the Arkansas State Police.
What you hitting for though?
I'm putting you in the ditch because you're running.
I wasn't running.
Yes, you are. Get
No, I
up.
didn't even see you, bro.
You took back off. Everything's on video. Look, man, you're gonna be on video.
You done hit my mama car.
Yeah.
The driver, later identified as Rodrevius Johnson, was transported to the Columbia County Detention Center, where he was charged with the following offenses: fleeing, obstructing governmental operations, speeding, driving on a suspended license, failure to yield to an emergency vehicle, no seatbelt, failure to present a driver's license. On August 2nd, 2024, a trooper observed a white Buick with Arkansas plates discard an unknown item out of the window. The trooper activated her emergency lights and pulled alongside the vehicle, instructing the driver to exit and pick up the discarded trash. The driver of the vehicle, later identified as Demetrius Kelly, did not lower the window and continued driving toward Geyer Springs. At the exit, Demetrius was traveling at speeds exceeding 80 miles per hour. As they approached a traffic light, Demetrius continued east. The trooper attempted a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, but the maneuver was unsuccessful as Demetrius brake-checked the trooper. The trooper initiated a felony takedown and began issuing commands for Demetrius to exit the vehicle. Demetrius then opened the driver's side door and fled on foot.
Take Scott Hamilton, take Scott Hamilton.
The trooper observed Demetrius wearing light gray pants and a dark-colored shirt as he fled east along the fence line. The trooper relayed this information to the responding units. With another occupant still in the vehicle, the trooper remained at the scene and issued commands to the passenger. The passenger, later identified as Fatima Hassan, exited the vehicle and was taken into custody.
That intersection. Hey! Hey! Come to me! Come to me! Come to me! Come to me! Come to me!
3046, I couldn't copy you. Did we pass her? Pardon me, but you want which exit are you at? Yeah, we gotta turn around. She's back on Hamilton.
While searching the vehicle, the trooper located a Taurus G3 firearm on the floorboard between the driver and passenger sides. When asked about the driver, Fatima identified him as D. Shortly thereafter, Corporal Love reported that he had located Demetrius, who surrendered to the troopers after a brief foot pursuit.
That's how you said it was. Give me a clear description.